Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So jump right into today's video. It's going to be really short, but someone claims they filmed a UFO at an airport in the UK. So here is some of the footage here. And this particular video reminds me of this one that was shot several years ago by an airplane pilot, where he shot this particular UFO from an airplane. Now, whether these objects are somewhat the same or not, I don't know. But let me go ahead and quit my yap and let me play this video in its entirety, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, slowing this down and trying to zoom in just a little bit. You guys see this here, and I'm going to stop this frame right here. And you guys can see that. Now, some people may say this is a balloon or something. I don't know. If you've seen something like this before, let me know down in the comments with this, because this is pretty interesting that they caught this. Of course, this looks metallic, and it looks kind of round or circular or sphere in its structure of it, but it's a pretty interesting clip that he filmed there. Now, like I said, I'm not throwing out the possibility that this is not a balloon, but you guys saw there kind of when he zoomed out and stuff there, and maybe the characteristic where it's blowing in the wind or it's moving in the wind could be, but it does look somewhat similar. It's a little bit different than the one that was shot several years ago. The one on the right is the one that a pilot took, and that one's a lot darker, and when you kind of focus in on, I did a video on that, you can see a little bit more shape and detail to it than this one that's the one on the left. But anyway it goes, it's pretty interesting. But I wanted to show this to you guys. Are these some of the similar objects or something similar or the same? I don't know, but I at least want to show this to you guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below. Apologies for the short video, but I got some longer ones coming up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the next video.